Tired of complicated payment methods on Facebook Marketplace? Let's simplify things. First, make sure you and the seller agree to use PayPal before proceeding. This is crucial for buyer protection. Once you've found your item and agreed on the price with the seller, confirm they are happy to accept PayPal. Ask the seller for their PayPal email address. Double-check the address they provide to prevent sending money to the wrong person. Open your PayPal app or website and click on the Send button. Enter the seller's PayPal email address you received from them into the recipient field. Again, triple-check it. Enter the agreed-upon amount for the item, including any shipping costs discussed. This is super important. Select paying for an item or service to get PayPal's purchase protection. Add a short note describing the item you are purchasing. For example, vintage lamp from Facebook Marketplace. Review all the details carefully one last time, and then click Continue to finalize the payment. PayPal will send you and the seller a confirmation email. Keep this for your records. That's it. Using PayPal on Facebook Marketplace can be easy and safe if you follow these steps. Enjoy your purchase.